Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever struggled to read the tiny time on your phone's status bar, it can be really frustrating. For some reason, Android still uses a very small time icon by default, and it can be difficult to see even if you have perfect vision. Today, I'm going to show you a universal method to increase the size of the time icon on almost any Android device. Once you apply this trick, the time becomes easier to read, making your phone more comfortable to use. I will be using a Samsung device to demonstrate this, but it works on most other Android devices as well. Just follow and apply all the steps. Alright, let's get right into it. Firstly, we need to enable the hidden developer features on your phone. Open Settings. Scroll to the bottom and tap. About Phone. Select Software Information. Tap build number 7 times until you see the confirmation message. If you have a lock set on your phone, you will be asked to unlock it. Now that developer mode is active, we need to go into the hidden settings. Open your settings again. Use the search bar and type developer, or scroll down and select developer options from the list. Scroll down until you reach the drawing section. Look for minimum width. This is the key setting. Your device will show a default value, for example, 380. Mine is set at 411. Lowering the number makes the time icon and the status bar icons larger, while raising the number makes everything smaller. For Samsung phones, the lowest smallest width value is 320. I'll replace the current value with 320 and tap OK. Instantly, the time, battery, and status bar icons become noticeably bigger. However, this change also increases the size of text and icons across the entire phone. If you want only the status bar icons like the time to be larger while keeping everything else normal, here's how to adjust it. From the main settings menu, select Display and tap Font Size and Style. Reduce the text size until it looks right. Now your status bar stays larger, including your time, while your apps and text return to their regular size. And that's it. A simple way to make the time icon and other status bar icons much easier to see. If this helped you, subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.